Ever walked into your rental in the first hot week of the summer and immediately spotted broken gutters, dirty vents, or mold creeping in? A workable vacation rental maintenance checklist can save you unexpected surprises. Before we dive in, hit that subscribe button and tap the little bell so you don't miss future episodes. Whether you're a vacation rental newbie or a seasoned host, this one is a must listen or watch. Let me ask you something. When was the last time you checked your AC filters, or the condition of your patio furniture, or you just muttered, "Well, don't worry, you're not alone." Spring and summer are peak booking seasons for most vacation rentals. That means sunshine, full calendars, and unfortunately, maintenance headaches waiting to strike you if you're not prepared. That's why we made this checklist. A little prep now equals less stress later. Spring maintenance must-dos. Spring is your pre-game warm-up. It's all about waking your property up after a sleepy winter. Make sure you check the HVAC and air systems. Guests don't forgive sweaty nights. Clean filters, test the AC units, and service your HVAC. Check vents and thermostats. Smart tech helps here a lot. Now here's a fact. A dirty air filter can increase energy use by 15%. That's worth a 5-minute swap, right? 2. Outdoor power wash. Think patios, decks, siding, walkways. Moss? Mold? Nope. Guests will notice. Use a mix of vinegar and elbow grease, or hire a local cleaner who won't break the budget. 3. Gutter and roof check. Leaves and winter debris equal water damage risks. Hire a roofer or do a quick drone flyover if you're tech savvy. 4. Window and screen cleaning. Sparkling windows equal wow factor. Also, screens keep bugs out. And that's something guests really care about. Want more DIY tips? Check out the Vacation Rental Resolutions podcast. Now, here are your summer maintenance essentials. Summer equals full calendars and guest turnover. Your goal? Smooth sailing. First things you check? Inspect outdoor furniture. No one wants to sit on a rusty chair or worse, fall off one. Tighten screws. Wipe cushions. Replace faded or moldy items. 2. Pest control. Summer equals bugs, so get ahead of them. Schedule a spray or use natural repellents like citronella and peppermint oil. Did you know that ants leave scent trails to guide others? Wipe surfaces with vinegar to disrupt their GPS. 3. Barbecue and outdoor kitchen prep. Clean grills, refill propane, and leave clear usage instructions. Bonus points if you stock barbecue tools in a labeled bin. Guests will love you for it. 4. Deep clean that welcome mat. I mean it literally. It's small, but it's the first thing guests see. Shake it out, vacuum it, and maybe even replace it seasonally. A bonus? One system to rule them all. Want to save time and avoid missed maintenance? Here's my personal system. Create a Google Sheet with seasonal tasks. Add dates for each item. Set calendar reminders. You only need to do this once. Share it with your cleaner or handyman. That's it. No fancy apps, just old school organization that works. This system is part of the Launch Your First Vacation Rental course. We walk you through how to create your custom maintenance tracker. What's one maintenance task you always forget until guests complain? Let me know by dropping it in the comments. Here are your key takeaways. Spring is for wake-up work. Summer equals outdoor polish. Guests notice small details. prevent bugs before they invade, use a simple seasonal system. Spring and summer maintenance doesn't have to be a grind. It's about setting up systems that work for you. Your future self and your 5-star reviews will thank you. And hey, if you're still figuring out how to juggle it all, don't go it alone. The Launch Your First Vacation Rental course walks you through this and much more. Need more checklists, ideas, or inspiration? Join the Launch Your First Vacation Rental course. Get the tools, templates, and support you need. And if you like this episode, you might also like How Can Technology Help Uncover Vacation Rental Hidden Costs? Episode 27. Subscribe so you don't miss next week's episode. And if you like this one, feel free to buy us a coffee. It helps keep the advice flowing.